Good afternoon, welcome to GrainTV. My name is Cody Bills. Today is the 23rd. It's a Monday and we had the market mixed here this morning. Let's take a look at where we closed off the day at the grain hedge trading platform. Corn down 6 1/4 cents. Soybeans was higher this morning, then lower, and then back mostly unchanged, only shedding 3/4 cent here today. And we had Chicago wheat down 3 1/4 cents on the day. One thing to note is that later on in the trade session here, we did get an announcement that Egypt is seeking 55 to 60,000 metric tons of U.S. wheat. So this is very positive to see. Obviously, after the price slide on Friday, and again a smaller decrease here today, prices are getting more favorable here for U.S. wheat, and it looks as though Egypt is going to try and make do or take advantage of that $100 million credit that they have available to them by the U.S. So we're going to have to see whether or not that goes well. Last time they issued it, they then canceled that tender and they went to look for optional origin, but they canceled the tender last time because the prices were exaggerated. So we'll see if that slide in prices on Friday is going to help lock in some of those bushel sales. Now let's talk a little bit about export inspections here this morning. They came out. Corn was on the high side of analyst expectations, actually beating the high side of analyst expectations, coming in at 900,000 metric tons inspected for export this week. We saw soybeans on the low side of analyst expectations. Looks like 961,000 metric tons of soybeans were inspected for export this week. That wasn't all that great when you look at the range of analyst estimates. The one thing that we're really paying close attention to when we look at soybeans is whether or not these outstanding sales, the actual grain that has been sold, that's on the books here but has not left the country, whether or not we're going to see that decline here and shrink, because we really need to see a lot of these beans leave the country. When you have these outstanding sales where they haven't been shipped yet, it leaves you very vulnerable to any sort of cancellations. And with South America coming online with their harvest, we could very easily see some cancellations. We're paying very close attention to the news wires here, and we'll tweet about that if we see any of them come down the line. Wheat came in on the high side of analyst expectations, beating it actually at 501,000 metric tons. That was very positive. So there was some good news out here for wheat today. We had good inspections. We had Egypt coming to the table here looking to buy some U.S. wheat. We'll have to see if that goes down. Guys, if you have any questions about what I talked about here today, give us a call. Number's 877-472-4607. And remember, if you haven't done so already, take a demo of the trading platform. This thing is a very powerful feature here, a very powerful platform for producers. It's very easy to get on, take a look at what the prices are doing, execute trades. In this case, if you're looking to buy a put or protect your prices, pay a little bit of a premium here to protect prices from a certain price lower here. It's very easy to get on there and shop for puts. So do give the office a call. We'll set you up with a demo. We'll be happy to give you a one-on-one walkthrough to make sure you're getting the most out of the trading platform. Thanks a lot for tuning in. We'll see you here Tuesday.